Today I'm just going to demonstrate how I've washed my face with Klèr. Some days I just do a light cleanse, and some days I like it a little thick, like a mask. There we go. If I'm having my self-care day, I will just do a nice mask with this and just let it sit for a few minutes. So all the ingredients will really get embedded and do their thing, especially the vitamin C.
Vitamin C in this?
Yes, definitely. Need a vitamin C to help with the dark marks on your face. As you can see, I'm still trying to get rid of some of mine.
Vitamin C, like oranges and...
Funny guy. You're hilarious.
Thank you so much.
It gives you a light foam, but be careful if you're wearing white because it will stain, as you can see.
Like... You say you do this in a white robe.
In a white robe, right? Seriously. Oh, God. But it feels so good. It has a nice scent. Lavender, sandalwood, palmarosa. It feels really smooth on the skin. Not harsh at all. And you can usually do this 3-4 times a week. It's not a harsh exfoliator. It's that kapuku.
Kapuhu?
Not kapuhu, kapuku. Kapuku.
That's a thing?
Yes, it's a natural exfoliant to gently slough your skin of dead skin cells with hibiscus.
You're making me feel good silly now. You said kapuhu and sloth. So kapuku and sloth. I don't know what. Anyways.
Okay.
I know what's coming. It's a man thing.
It's a man thing. It's a man thing. All right. Yeah, much better. Now, after cleansing your face, it's good to go with a toner. But usually I tone my face at night. But I don't totally dry my face after I use my cleanser. So my face is still slightly damp. So afterwards, what I go with is with Eklere. Eklere is my glow up facial serum. Just use 2 drops for that radiant glow. And voila, I am cleansed, moisturized. I got my glow up. I'm ready for the day.